If you remember in my last video, I had mentioned that I was in the market for a new refrigerator. And I found a company that gave me a loaner one until the one that I ordered comes in. So that was really, really cool. I wanted one that has an ice maker and a water dispenser in the door. The one that I have just has the water dispenser in the door. So we're not even going to hook that up right now. So here I am sweeping and cleaning up this area. This right here is the original flooring to this house, so it looks really, really bad. But this house has raised 5 generations of my husband's family, so it's okay if it's a little rough around the edges. We do have a lot of work to do, but it's all cosmetic, and these floors are going to be getting done anyway pretty soon. So right now I'm just trying to get it clean. I'm not going to get it pretty, but I can get that spot clean. I'm going to play some music while I get scrubbing on these floors. Let me know what you did this weekend in the comments below and where you're watching from.
I can't believe I'm counting down the minutes till it's Tuesday. Another day back on my feet. I'm fighting every minute till the weekend, so I can live it up and do it all again and again. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend. Friday we go dive, Saturday we ride, Sunday party, and let's call it a perfect weekend.
sitting with my head on your chest, wearing your shirt like my party dress. Something about the way you're holding me tight lets me know everything's alright. We don't have anywhere to be. Right here we got all we need. Lock the door and try the blinds. Let's just stay here a while. Let's be lazy, lazy, no troubles on our minds. Tell me, maybe we're leaving all behind. The two of us, we're in no rush. Let's be lazy, baby. Let's be lazy, baby. Everyone calls, but we don't pick up, 'cause we need a little time for us. Sunrise to sunset, we do it all again. Let's be lazy, baby, no troubles on our minds. Tell me, maybe we're leaving all behind. The two of us, we're in no rush. Let's be lazy, baby. Let's be lazy, Let's be lazy, baby, no troubles on our minds. Tell me, maybe we can leave it all behind. The two of us, we're in no rush. Let's be lazy, baby. Let's be lazy, baby. Let's be lazy, baby. Let's be lazy, baby.
Lifting slowly from my bed, I shake my head. I've done this before. So tell me, darling, once again what you said and what you swore. 'Cause the sight line goes over the tree line, Lord. And it's so much easier letting go when you know that you got nothing to fear. Because you're safely standing miles around, you never see it, because you're nowhere near. While a bomb drops all the way across the sea, all the way to me. Chose this life, now it's choosing me. And how how it interferes with the lives we lead. And I can't read your eyes, they're just sending hollow lies for free. And my left brain, it tells me never again, there's nothing left. There's nothing left. Well, just go home now. Your skin and bones, but there's no way of hiding your theft. You're successful in sending your problems from your stream. The way to me.
Watching the sunset on Tennessee hills. I wish I could capture it, I never will. 'Cause I'm not a painter, can't stay in the lines. Just sitting here sipping on dandelion wine. It's starting to rain, but I don't feel a thing. Sitting out rocking on that old porch swing. 'Cause I found me something that tastes like springtime.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm trying to outsmart this thing and it's not working. I refuse to ask my husband for help. This is ridiculous. Okay, so let's try it here.
Maybe I was blind, too scared of the lonely. Maybe I just needed someone to hold me.
All the signs were there that this wasn't working, and after a while I just couldn't take the hurt. It left a hole in my chest on the day that she left, but it was for the best. I was praying down on my knees, and I still can't believe you showed up out of the blue.
I'm so
Happy it hurt when they walked out the door. Happy they left my heart broke on the floor.
happy I don't have to fight anymore. Had to leave it behind me so real love could find me.
You opened my heart, set fire to my soul.
I didn't see it coming, so
How could I know
all of those tears, they were worth it.
baby, you and me, we deserve
They're
this?
so happy.
Happy.
Love's got a funny way of showing up when you least expect it. It can light up your darkest days.
Alright. Here she goes. She's all set up now, y'all. Kinda. It's a quickie. And ta-da, look at there. Now it's time to go shopping for food. In this next part of the video, I'm going to take you to the pantry. And we're going to organize the pantry. Yeah. Next project, please. Oh, yes. Messes. All the way to the top. I love messes. And we're going to get this all cleaned up. Bit of a grocery haul. Not the Dunkin' Donuts. Alright, I'm gonna get this all cleaned up. Alright, y'all. Golly, I don't even know where to start. Where do you start? Especially when you don't feel like doing anything. Yeah, we're gonna get it done though. You know what? Let's set a timer. I think I can get this done in about 20 minutes. Ugh, can't find my timer. Alright, 4:20. Got till 4:20 to get this done. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna set everything I'm gonna set everything out on the floor here. Rice.
Feels like I've known you my whole life, but nothing more than friends this whole time. Summertime skipping rocks so innocent. I never thought I'd ever hold your hand, but there's something in the sunset feels different this time. There's a feeling, if you feel it, baby, I don't wanna hide. But we don't gotta stay friends forever, but we can cross that line together. Find love, baby, never say never. After all this time, I just wanna take a step in a new direction. I wanna tell you what I failed to mention. We can fly a couple of birds of a feather. We don't gotta stay friends forever. We can give this whole town something to talk about. We don't gotta pretend, don't gotta dance around it, no. I've been dreaming about a midnight, all night kind of kiss, making up for everything we ever missed. Yeah, there's something about your sweet smile, it's just different this time. So baby, lean in like you mean it, put your lips on mine. We don't gotta stay friends forever, we can cross that line together. Find love, baby, never say never. After all this time, I just wanna take a step in a new direction. I wanna tell you what I failed to mention. We can fly a couple of birds of a feather. We don't gotta stay friends forever. We can start a whole new chapter, find our happy ever after. The only way to know is ask her, yeah, baby. We don't gotta stay friends forever, we can cross that line together. Find love, baby, never say never. After all this time, I just wanna take a step in a new direction. I wanna tell you what I failed to mention. We can fly a couple of birds of a feather. We don't gotta stay friends forever. We don't gotta stay friends forever. No, no.
Strangers, am I wrong? It's feeling right. You make me wonder, could we start a better life? don't know where it's going, but we ain't going slow. I wanna fall in love tonight, you and I, chasing flight. I wanna see the city lights in your eyes. There's a better life. Could it be you and I? 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 Years they are passing. Could this be what we wanted? Just keep on laughing. We will see what could happen. We don't know where it's going, but we ain't going slow. I wanna fall in love tonight, you and I, chasing flight. I wanna see the city lights in your eyes. There's a better life. Could it be you and I? 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 I wanna fall in love tonight, you and I, chasing flight. I wanna see the city lights in your eyes. There's a better life. I wanna fall in love tonight, you and I, chasing flight. I wanna see the city lights in your eyes. There's a better life. Could it be you and I? 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 Could it be you and I?
Pancake mix. Excuse me. Rice. Problem solved. Cereal. That right there. Oh Lord, that was gonna drive me crazy. I don't like upside down things. I like for everything to be turned correctly. Weird things about me. Y'all, I got this at Aldi's. $2.49, 89 cents, something like that. But that is so adorable. All right. Yeah, we're not gonna worry about that up there. No. I'm too short anyway right now. Don't feel like grabbing a chair. But that's where we're at right now. Let's move on to that. Okay. Yeah, it's really not that bad. Maybe it's a little bit. I don't know. This is why I keep old coffee cans. I don't know why I collect bags, but I collect bags. I collect bags, I collect boxes. Random. But these I use for the trash bags, and the metal ones I like to put my grease whenever I'm cooking instead of throwing it out anywhere. I just stick it in these and I let it get full. Then I bag it up real good and goes out to the trash. But I definitely have bag issues. What is that? Oh, that's flour. Okay. hole in the top of these lids. That way I can just pull out one bag at a time. But really, I'm about through getting things done today. Because I actually need to take another ibuprofen. I got my appointment for my procedure on the 21st, so I have a kidney stone lodged in my kidney, and it's been like that for a long time. So I'm about ready to get that completed. That's why my house got this way. It's why I have such low energy. That's why I have brain fog and I have a problem talking right now. I can't word. Words are hard. Yeah, that didn't take too long. Like my mom used to say, it's good enough for government paperwork. All right. Close the door on that done deal. Let's see what else I can get into real quick. Where's your mama? Oh, where's your mama? Mama. Where's your mama? Oh my God, dear. Oh my God, dear. Mama. 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 Oh my God, dear. Mama. Mama. Mom. Where's my country? Where's my country? Hey, Mama. 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 Oh, yeah. Is your mama? Mama. And that's going to do it for me today. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again in the next video.